Later this month, A'ja Wilson's Nike-owned signature sneaker, which had been in the works for years and teased for months, eventually made its way to a variety of retailers. In anticipation of her upcoming WNBA campaign, the Las Vegas Aces player has called on her Swoosh family for additional variations of her debut model. As summer approaches, the OWN has made an appearance in a vast gray outfit that is only available in kids' sizes. Known as Azure Vibe, the pair has all of the performance components found in Wilson's adult offering, with hits of the title tone found throughout the tooling, around the tongue, and across the inner lining. Parts of the sneaker are animated by shades of blue, pink and yellow, just like other kids-only shoes from the Oregon-based company. The shoebox adopts a black and pink aesthetic that the OWN pioneered, instead of the pair's color scheme. It is anticipated that the vast gray style will be available on Nike.com on Thursday, May 29.